Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Snowflake JDBC driver settings, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Snowflake JDBC driver settings, first, locate your system's configuration files. On Windows, open the control panel and navigate to Programs. Select Uninstall a program to view the list of installed software. Look for the Snowflake JDBC driver in that list. Right-click on the Snowflake JDBC driver entry and choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. On macOS, open the Finder and go to the Applications folder. Locate the Snowflake JDBC driver application. Drag the application to the trash bin. Next, to remove any residual configuration files, open the terminal. Type cd/.snowflake to navigate to the Snowflake directory. If you see any leftover configuration files, type rmrf* to delete them. For Linux systems, you can use your package manager to remove the driver. Open a terminal and use the command specific to your package manager. For instance, use sudo apt-get remove Snowflake JDBC for Debian-based systems. After removal, check your environment variables for any references to the Snowflake JDBC driver. Remove any variables related to its installation. Finally, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. You have successfully uninstalled the Snowflake JDBC driver settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.